back over here on 498. And this road has been closed for 3 days. They have been working on this road for 3 days. And it just opened up this afternoon. And I just came down and just to see if, you know, how much they actually did to repair this road. And I just cannot believe my eyes. This is repaired, I'm assuming. They're gone, the signs are gone, the road's open. I'm gonna give it a couple of days, see if they come back and resurface this thing or something. But 3 days of working, and I don't see a bit of new blacktop or anything, and it's just as rough as it has ever been. Now it is a little bit wider where they dug some dirt up on the side, but they didn't put any asphalt down. There's their equipment still sitting here, so until they move their equipment, then I'll leave this video off. But I got a good feeling they're gonna move that equipment and that road's gonna stay just like it is. It's another Terry Phillips Precinct road and road repair. All right, County Road 499, and it finally caved in on that side. And washed away on this side. Another fine example of how Smith County Road and Bridge takes care of their roads. They just fixed this road. Just got through fixing it. Not 2 weeks ago. And this is how it ends up because they fixed it. Now, because of the rain, really, but they didn't fix it correctly to start with. So if they fixed the road, that wouldn't happen. If they'd fixed the culverts, that wouldn't happen. If they'd make these ditches where the water won't run over the road, that wouldn't happen. And they did do it on this side a little bit, but this side still runs over the road. And that's the result. All right, I guess that's it for now.